Okay, good morning. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 42.
AwesomeMath number 42. We started a new chapter in our book today, and it turns out to be something a little on the complicated side and stuff we haven't talked about, but we're still going to have a lot of fun with it.
Yeah.
Okay? I promise. So the second example problem was looking at an expression like this, a squared minus b squared. And do you know what that's called?
A difference of squares.
A difference of squares, because we did a fun video about that a couple years ago when your brother was studying this.
Yeah.
All right, maybe I'll find that video. And so you and I are gonna. I don't know why they're asking us to look at this. Do you?
No.
No. Why are they asking us to look at a squared minus b squared? Let's take a look at some examples. What would you like a to be as an example?
Well,
A to b.
6.
6. Okay. So what about this number? 6 squared minus
6 squared minus 4 squared.
4 squared. Okay. That is 36 minus 16.
Which is, it's 20.
20. Okay. And if we make a list of the factor or of the divisors of 20, what do we get?
1, 20, 2, and 10. No, 3, 4, and 5.
4 and 5.
And then that's it.
That's it. All right. Can we relate 6 and 4 to any of these?
Well, the bottom ones, if we put 6 and 4 there, and then 4 and 5 there.
Oops, not 4/5, 4 and 5.
4 and 5 doesn't really seem to relate to anything.
No. Okay. Weird. Let's try another example.
Well, let's try 7 and 7 squared and 2 squared. So 49 minus 4.
Which is?
Which is 45.
Okay, so 45. How does that? What are the divisors of 45?
1, 45, no 2, or 3 and 15, and then 5 and 9, and then
I think that might be
that's
it.
Yeah.
I think that might be it. Okay, can we relate 7 and 2 over here at all?
Well, 7 and at the bottom ones this time, 5 and 9. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 7 minus 2 is 5.
Oh, interesting. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 minus 2 is 5.
But it didn't seem to work for the other one.
Yeah, what was the other one?
It was
6 and 4?
6 and 4.
Alright, well what would the same trick be for 6 and 4?
It would be, there would be the bottom ones, I think it was the 4 and 5.
Yeah, well what would we get if we did the same thing here for 6 and 4?
Well, it would get 10 and 2. Though that was the middle one.
Oh,
So maybe the,
So when we multiply this together, 9 times 5, we get 45, which is what this was.
yeah,
When we multiply this together,
we
we get
get 20.
20, which was what 6 squared minus 4 squared was.
So you seem when you do these weird totals and you multiply your answers together, you seem to get the number.
Huh. Let's do another example. Maybe we just got lucky. Maybe it worked just by accident.
Well, let's try 9 squared, 81 minus 9.
Ooh, 9 squared minus 3 squared.
Yeah.
Ooh, very tricky. Okay. What is 81 minus 9?
That's 72.
Okay, and what, by your rule that you have, what should 72 be equal to?
It should, well, we have to do the divide. It should be a minus. It would be the sum of the factors a minus b and a minus b and a plus b.
Okay, and what were A and B?
A and B were 9 and 3
Okay, so what's 9 plus 3?
is 12.
9 plus 3 times,
9 minus 3,
which is
6. 12 times 6 is 72.
haha.
Cool.
Okay, so you were getting your arms around it. A squared minus B squared, it seems to equal A plus B times A minus B. Maybe that's why they were asking us to take a look at it. A plus B times A minus B. Should we try for one more just before we turn the camera off?
No, I think we got it.
You think we got it? I think we should do one more. How about a really tricky one? Like 15 squared minus 9 squared. See, these numbers are so big, it's hard to know what to do. This would be 225 minus 81. Ah! Why don't you think about what this is?
Well,
But over here we have 15 plus 9, which is 24,
24
times 15 minus 9, which is
6.
6.
24 times 6, that would be 150. 100
120, 6 times 20, plus
plus 24, so 124.
124. Oh, you were going to do 150
Oh, wait,
minus 6.
144.
You were doing 150 minus 6? Okay. Yeah, 6 times 25. Good. So what's this? 225 minus 81.
Well, you have 200 minus 60
200 minus 60
plus 4.
plus 4 is
144.
144.
Yay!
How about that?
There's our formula.
There's our formula. Okay. Good job, sweet pie. Good job.